Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today we're going to be doing a lip swatch party for the newest Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Creams. So they launched with 5 shades yesterday, December 10th. And today we're going to be trying on 3 of them because, you know, I rarely get all the shades. A couple of them weren't speaking to me, so I only got 3 of them. But I may pick up more. Let's just see how I feel about them. You know, if this is your first time watching Lip Beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and put your bell on for notifications so that you never miss an upload. Join the Lip Beat family. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're gonna go in with is the Pro Kisser Lip Loving Scrub Sticks. So you just have to go in with this. I've absolutely been loving this, and then I just take a makeup wipe and I wipe it off. You can use like a damp paper towel if you want, but this is just an easier way for me. Then I'm gonna go in with the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm in Hint Hint. Just a little bit of that, right? We're prepping our lips because we're gonna be doing a lip swatch. You all know how lip swatches go. Might be a little easier this time because they're glosses. So I'm not going to bombard you guys with a full face. I'm going to do my makeup and I'll be back for the lip swatch. Okay guys, so the face is finished. Let's get into these lip swatches.
Gloss bomb cream got my lips on. Thick, blow kiss. Ooh.
Okay, so I picked up 3 of the Fenty Beauty new Gloss Bomb Creams. They come in same Fenty-esque packaging. We have Cookie Jar. This shade right here, isn't that just gorgeous? Then we have Fenty Glow, which is the OG, right? Y'all, I have my crusty, dusty, original Fenty Glow. It's like almost done. You can't even see it, but okay, let's see how they compare. Definitely a little bit more pink. And then the one that I'm most excited about is called Fruit Snacks. This is what I am most excited about because I love reds, I love berries. So when I saw this one, I was like, damn, didn't I just create something like that? Insert pick here. So they retail for $19 and you get 0.3 ounces. I believe it's the same as the original. This packaging just has the cream sign on the front. It's so cute. So Fenty Glow is a universal rose nude. Cookie Jar is a chocolate caramel, and then Fruit Snacks is a berry red. There are 2 other shades. One called Mauve Wives, which is a rosy mauve, and the other Honey Waffle, which is a honey butter brown. I wasn't really drawn to those 2. The honey butter brown kind of look orangey. I may pick that up, but let me see how I like these and then I will decide if I want to get that one. The Mauve Wives, definitely not my vibe. I don't do that shade of purple or pinky purple, so I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna swatch these. I'm gonna swatch them on my hand for you guys. Okay, so these are the swatches, right? So first we have Fruit Snacks, then we have Cookie Jar, and then Fenty Glow. So I'm gonna start with Fenty Glow. It doesn't really have a strong smell, which is surprising. The other gloss bombs have like a strong, nice scent to it. It's looking pretty opaque on me. I feel like if I had done like a liner, my favorite espresso matte stick, I would have given it a little bit more depth, but I'm not going to use any liner just yet. This Feel Good Look Great lip gloss now comes in medium to full coverage color and 0 shimmer. It's buildable with full intensity pigment and brilliant shine. The XXL wand applies in just one swipe with a non-sticky feel. It has an addictive peach vanilla scent plus vitamin A to nourish lips. I feel like I want to put on some more. Like, I want to build it up. This color is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, tell me what you guys think. It's a beautiful nude for brown skin. It's giving OG Fenty Glow vibes. I just love the packaging of gloss bombs. They're just so cute. But yeah, Fenty Glow. Okay, let's move on to Cookie Jar. This color is very interesting. Ooh, it feels really good on the lips. It almost looks like an orange, like a burnt orange. I don't have anything like this. I'm liking this. Ooh, I think this is my favorite one so far. I mean, I only have one more to try, but this is nice. Ooh, y'all, have you ever seen me in a color like this before? I want to say no. And it looks so good. This is a very, very unique. I would say if you could get anyone, get Cookie Jar. Look how cute. This one is more opaque than Fenty Glow. I love it. I absolutely love it. All right, Cookie Jar is my fave. Let's get into the last shade. Now we have Fruit Snacks. I definitely want to build this up a little bit more. This is my kind of color right here, okay? This is my kind of color right here, okay? No, it's not as opaque as the colors I made my blue liner look, just because those were lipstick, they were super opaque, and then I put gloss over them. You can still feel the sheer vibe of this, but I can appreciate that. I'm loving it. I think it's a tie between Cookie Jar and Fruit Snacks. You guys let me know which one was your fave out of the three. This one is Fruit Snacks. Alright guys, so I think Cookie Jar is my favorite. Like, it is a color that I don't have in my collection, and I think it complements my skin so well. Now, in these corona times, in these quarantine times, are we really wearing gloss? The answer is no. I'm not really wearing gloss. I always reach for a gloss and then I'm like, damn girl, you gotta put on a mask. So then I put that gloss right down. Let's hope for the future we won't be wearing masks and we'll all be safe and we can wear our gloss in peace. Okay. So I really like the gloss. It's the same price as the regular gloss bomb. It doesn't have any shimmer. You know, sometimes you don't want shimmer. I'm cool with that. It is not as opaque as I thought it would be. It's definitely more on the sheer side. So, you know, if you're looking for like an opaque gloss, this is not it. This is like medium coverage, but you can build it up. So I built this one up. When I had first put it on, it was a little bit more sheer. Now I built it up. I feel like I could even go like one more coat, but I don't want to go overboard. You know what I mean? Right. It's not sticky at all. Lips are feeling very moisturized. And if you're a gloss person, I think that you would love this. So I feel like this could also go into gift guides. Come on. You know your friends love Fenty. This is a great stocking stuffer. Link is in the bio. Check them out, y'all. I think I'm gonna get honey waffles. Stay tuned on my Instagram to see if I do pick it up. I'll probably show it over there. Fenty has impressed me once again. I mean, they always come correct. They always do. I would love to see, you know, what would be the expansion of these shades. I always want like a deeper berry lip. So I'm excited to see if they come up with something a little deeper than this one, because I like a deep dark lip. I just do. It's a vibe, and it's winter. I keep saying winter. It's fall, almost winter. So, you know, we love like the vampy vibes during this time of year. So everything that I used to create this face will be in the description box below. Definitely check out what I have down there. Shopping my links really helps my channel out. I do get a small commission when you make purchases via my links. So thank you to everyone who has been shopping. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Lauder on Instagram and The Beat Inc. on Facebook. And without further ado, have a great night, guys. Bye.